For years, almost every electric vehicle in the world has depended on rare earth magnets, materials largely controlled by China. But what if an Indian startup has found a way to build the Virtual Magnet Synchronous Motor developed by Bengaluru-based Vimag Labs? The company has now secured 5 Indian patents for its revolutionary technology. Instead of relying on expensive permanent magnets, the company says its motor creates the required magnetic field using advanced electronics and proprietary software. Traditional EV motors rely on powerful permanent magnets. Vimag Labs says its design replaces them with intelligent software and advanced power electronics that dynamically generate the magnetic field. Most electric motors generate motion using powerful permanent magnets made from rare earth elements like neodymium and dysprosium. Rare earth materials are critical for electric vehicles, wind turbines, robotics, and many advanced technologies. Today, China dominates much of the world's rare earth processing. That's why a motor that can reduce or eliminate the need for permanent earth magnets could become a significant innovation. If proved successful, it could help diversify future EV supply chains. The company has already secured 5 Indian patents and says it is working with automotive and industrial partners to validate the technology. The next challenge is proving its performance. If Vimag Labs successfully commercializes this technology, it could reduce dependence on rare earth magnets, simplifying the supply chain for future electric motors. That could vehicles to industrial automation. The technology could also find applications in renewable energy, aerospace, robotics, and heavy industry. A successful magnet-free motor platform would represent a major-sified electric drive technology. While the innovation is exciting, large-scale commercial deployment will depend on extensive testing, long-term reliability, manufacturing scalability, and industry adoption technology must achieve. Whether Vimag Labs' Virtual Magnet Synchronous Motor becomes a global breakthrough remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, Indian push the boundaries of innovation. If you enjoy technology, share and subscribe.